Amara, where's the zebra? Can you find the zebra? Yeah. Where's the monkey? Where's the elephant? Where's the giraffe? And where's the lion cub? Very good. Can you say bye-bye, animals? Bye-bye. Let's do some more animals. Can you find the pig? Where's the pig? Can you show Mama the pig? That's right. Can you show Mama the bear? Where's the bear? Is the bear doing push-ups? That's right. And where's the dog? Oh, where's the dog? I can't find the dog. Can you find the dog? Can you find the dog? It's a little dog. That's right. Let's see. We haven't done the others. Can you find the rabbit? Oh, you do know where the rabbit is. And is there a cat? I see a cat. I see the back head of a cat. Can you find the cat? Doesn't have a face. Might be kind of hard. Yeah. Can you find the elephant in that picture? Is there a big elephant? No? Let me see the elephant. Can you show me? That's a moose. Moose. Can you read the book to Mama? You read? I see a big bear. Do you see a bear? Where's the bear? Yeah, bear. What does a dog say? Amara, what does a dog say? Can you say dog? Roof. What does a cow say? Moo. What does a cat say? Are you gonna say the cat today? Can you say cat? No. You gotta work on that one still. Where's the giraffe? Yeah. Where's the bird? Oh, yeah. Where's the bird? That's giraffe. Where's the bird? That's a bird. Big bird. It's a silly bird, huh? Can you read the book to Mama? Or do you want to read this book? Where's the honeybee? Bee, that's right. Uh-huh. You count the bees? 1, 2, 3. Where's the fish? I see a fish. That's a fish. Yeah, fish. 2 fishes. Ooh, is there a frog? Is there a frog on there? There's a frog. It's hiding. I see a butterfly. Where's a butterfly? Butterfly's way over there. Yeah. Are we all done? Ready for night-night? Tell the animals night-night. Say night-night. Give them a hug and kiss. Give them a hug. Animals a hug. Yeah. Okay, let's go night-night. Say night-night.